Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add web extensions on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger icon up at the top right, and then go down and select where it says extensions, and then select Visit Web Store. And then this will open up the Chrome Web Store in which you can look for and search for different extensions and themes for your Brave web browser. Even though it says Chrome, Brave is built on the Chromium web source or code, so it will work. Chrome extensions will work on the Brave browser. And then you can manage those extensions by going to the hamburger icon and selecting extensions and then selecting manage extensions. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.